Good evening, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. We've bit late yesterday. I failed to actually cover the market, but I think we did not really have any proper move or any bigger of a swing on the market. But what's really happening this week? What is the biggest event? When we check on the economic news, the biggest event that we have, it's Friday. It's on Friday. It's core PCE 2:30. And that is for US. On the other ones, I see Thursday there. It's unemployment claims, which comes every Thursday. We have GDP also, but not really that crazy important. But the most important one, I think, is going to be Nvidia earnings this Wednesday, or after the market close, or we can call that after the bell. So the market will be closing, then they're gonna release their earnings. There are so many speculations that they might miss the estimates, and I think it's possible. We saw how AI companies or all the earnings were not really that nice, and we started to see those sell-offs that we had a few weeks ago, especially on Nasdaq and S&P 500. So now the question is, because Nvidia is the bigger of them, it's like the king or the source of this AI, or let's say it holds like 80% market share of AI chips, right? So we'll see. But I'm hoping that even if maybe they miss, they won't miss with a bigger number, or maybe they will beat the estimation, but not with crazy bigger number. So which means this week before that, let's say Thursday actually, because it's gonna happen after the market close on Wednesday, which means we expecting some like not really good moves. So I think we can focus on other instruments that are also very important, like gold. We can check oil. They are also moving very nice, and maybe other currency pairs, right? So now let's go on dollar index. What's really happening on the dollar? This is a daily time frame. You can see that we are coming from a very nice uptrend structure, and it shows us that, you know what, yeah, it's bad. You can see that since we broke out there, so we start to see that the market is really going down, because we still have the rates cuts coming next month. This is the last week, by the way. So which means we have so much stuff going on. We also have, this is actually some good news, because we start to see that the dollar is losing that momentum. So we have to take advantage of buying other pairs which are going against the dollar, or selling at the dollar, because already the dollar index is weaker. I hope that makes sense. So when you go on other pairs, I think that might not be, it's not supposed to be a surprise, you see. Yeah, quite similar to here on USDJPY. So on USDJPY, it's a very nice structure, because firstly, on our 4 hours time frame, we still have this proper uptrend that the market broke out. But when we check on our daily time frame, we still have this nice uptrend, which we can say, you know what, it seems like the market is respecting that. So the question is, will the market try to respect this level? Yes, the market did try to respect that, and I was hoping for a nice reversal, but it seems like the market is struggling. The question is, will the market break out here? Because we already know that there is a chance there is rate cuts coming. We don't really know if maybe the market will break out of that, but from this area, we saw a nice respect of the support. The market bounced back. It seems like the market is coming back around the same level again. So will we see a nice push to the upside? Yeah, we'll have to wait and see. But the way we know that they're gonna cut the rates, we might see a breakout. But since we know that JPY sometimes can be weaker, especially against the dollar, because even if they cut the rates, US interest rates, they are still way too bigger than JPY or Japanese yen rates. You see, I think Japanese yen, I think at the moment is 0.25, if I'm not mistaken. And at the moment for US, I think is 5.5, around that. And if they cut, still we won't just reach this level very quick. Even here, even if they increase with 75 basis points, yes, it will make the JPY to be stronger. But when we compare the rates, still that is not going to be the same. That's why I expect to see the market reversing around this level. But we'll have to wait and see, because technically it makes sense that the market might respect that. And if breakout happens, we will still appreciate that. But yeah, if a reversal, if the market respect this, it's gonna be good also. But there is a chance for a breakout also. So that means we have to wait and relax and see what's really happening. So now we are on GBPUSD. What's really happening? We are on a very nice structure, and you can see that the market already broke everything. We are on this nice uptrend structure. I'm still expecting to see the market continuing with this nice uptrend structure, but where we are, I can say yes, the market is a little bit higher. And it showed earlier, it seems like the market was about to break out, but it seems like the market is struggling around that level. So let me go on a smaller, not smaller, because I'm on a daily time frame. So now I can go on a 4 hours time frame just to see what's really happening. So you can see that, yeah, we are still on that nice uptrend. Let's see if we go closer, if maybe the market is indeed breaking out. So the market tried to break out here, and I was expecting to see a nice push to the upside, but it seems like the market will be creating this area as a resistance. But we know very well that the dollar is a little bit weaker. There is a chance for the market to continue going higher, quite similar to here. You can see the market played a same. Actually, the market created a same pattern or similar pattern. Like here, the market did try to play around a few hours there, then the market did break out. So there is a possibility for the market to do that. If the market goes down, there's nothing we can do. We will just have to wait for the market to touch this support area before we think about buying, because we are on a bullish structure. I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. Because if we try to draw something like this, that is quite steep. So that is not going to be reliable. So we're not going to draw something like that. So we're just going to rely on our horizontal resistance and support. I hope that makes sense. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Guys, I think I will have to keep that special until this month end, because I wasn't actually available. So just for everyone to just enjoy. Yeah, if you want to be part of the team, just let me know. Just check my WhatsApp there or scan that QR code. So on gold, on gold, we can easily see that yes, the market is still on that nice uptrend, and where we are actually on a very highest level. So the question is, will the market continue going higher or down? I think the market will try to go even higher, but that doesn't really mean that we're not gonna get any sort of a reversal or something. At the moment, if I can remove this actually still makes sense, but we still have a proper support, and the market did try to show us that. You can see this area, the market respected that level. We also have some structures around that, and we have the other ones there. Do you see that? And that shows us that there is actually a stronger zone. The market broke out, and when we check on top, we also have a proper resistance there that we can actually use. So it might be something like this before we see a proper push the upside. Yes, I'm not dismissing all that. I'm just saying I think the market might play around, but we might see the market respecting the stronger area. And sometimes if maybe you are already trying to buy here, you can still make something, but there is a chance that the market can break that and respect this level before going higher. Or even maybe the lowest level here before the market goes up. Yes, just because they're going to cut the rate doesn't really mean that the market the market will start to fly non-stop. The market will still go up, and people, they will still take their profits. And once the market takes once people takes their profit, we will see some sell off in the market, and that's how the market moves. I hope that makes sense. So another option, it will be if the market breaks this resistant area, we will look for that buy, or maybe this support area. we will look for that buy. At the moment, I think we just need to wait and relax. Let's try to wait and relax. I know you want some gold signals, but I think it's better for us to just wait and relax. So on US30, what's really happening on US30? Still on that nice uptrend structure. And when we go closer, as I did talk about this area for several times, so we can easily see that no man, the market is already giving us a nice structure. Though already we're no longer on inside this resistance. You can see that the market was trying to give us a nice resistance. The market already broke out. So what we expect here is the market is already showing us a nice resistance and support there. You can see that. So now we're just waiting for the market to break out of that structure before we jump on that buy. Do you see that? I hope you can see that. I hope you can see that. So this is what we have. You can see that the market is consolidating here. We have a breakout. The market might consolidate here before we also go even higher. So don't mind the market when it's playing around this level. So anytime the market can break, so it's better to have that notification or a proper sell that can be fine or very good. Then we can have a proper buy around this level going higher because we are still on that nice uptrend. I hope that makes sense. We are still on that nice uptrend structure. So this is what we have, you see. So I don't really want, because already we have a lot of lines going through this. I don't really want this to confuse you. So now we are coming from a nice downtrend structure, a very quick one, by the way. So yes, we know very well that, yeah, we are coming from this uptrend. This was a very stronger one. And then shortly after that, we had this a nice downtrend structure. Do you see that? So the market was going down around that level. And yeah, the market was melting. It's that time where we had some earnings, some panic about inflation and stuff like that, and recession, if you still remember. This started around that time where we have NFP, which it was quite weak. So now we have a structure like this. Now we're coming from this downtrend structure. Now we are trying to do what? To go higher. We can see that the market broke out here, and then the market is starting to do what? To go even higher. But on where we are now, we can say we are in this nice consolidation structure. So at the moment, we can say we can have a buy where the market is, and we're expecting the market to go higher. But around this resistance area, it's going to be a very important zone because the market can resist. Remember, we have Nvidia earnings. So which means the market might just play around, you see. So that's why we can actually try to scalp, not to buy, hold. Yes, we know that at the end of the day, the market will end up going higher, but anything can happen around these levels. The market can just create some crazy moves. So I'm still expecting to see a very nice bullish move there. But I know that the market might consolidate. You see, I'm still very bullish. Yes, another thing that I can try to explain is, guys, when we see the market breaking out like this, just know that if maybe just because we're supposed to draw some supports area, sometimes those supports areas that they don't just happen very quick. Sometimes they take time because this is still a very fresh trend. The market is just going up very nice. So sometimes we might start from this area. Another one might come here, the other one. So at the moment, relax. Don't throw your structures like that because now you're going to force yourself throwing something like that. And if you throw something like this, that will look like the market is broken out of that uptrend. Now the market is going down. But to find out that the market is actually inside this ranging structure, and the market will still continue going even higher. And at the end of the day, you end up losing. So yeah, I'm still bullish. So just relax a little bit. Don't fight the market. We know very well that the market might just move crazy. So you can easily see also here on S&P 500 quite similar structures. So you can see that the market is coming from this nice downtrend, this aggressive downtrend structure. So now the market is pushing up, and we can see here, I think S&P 500 mostly it creates some perfect structures. You can see that the market is ranging there. So we can conclude and say we have a nice trend line. I don't think we have that. I don't think we have a proper trend line because the market, it's actually steep going higher. And the market is not gonna actually respect that longer. So which means you will always have these breakouts or fake breakouts non-stop. So wait until you get proper structures. Then at the moment we have this ranging structure. So I'm expecting to see the market breaking out of that. We can continue buying, but I think waiting for Wednesday also, that can also work. But what we can do is we can try maybe to just a scalp if we have to, you see. So another one here, which is US oil. Please guys, don't forget that this special will end this weekend. I think weekend it's month end, right? So yeah, this will end this weekend, by the way. So if you want to be part of the team, just let me know. So US oil, it was going up very nice. And at the end of the day, I tried to reset my trends and I saw something like this and it makes sense. So we have this sell. So I think the market will continue going lower. So I hope my people are already eating. We can see that the market seems to be respecting this resistant area that we had for quite some time. Previously, it was something like this, something like that, if I still remember. And yeah, now I can see that it's a continuation of that downtrend structure. And we saw the market respecting this level. But we did smash this one around this level, going higher. And I am expecting to move this one also when the market is going down like that, you see. But since I'm applying some risk management here and there, I'm not going to take US oil because sometimes we just make unnecessary mistakes just because we can see opportunities from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. It doesn't really mean you should take everything. Stay on your own lane and do what you know and relax. Yeah, sometimes you just let other people eat, but you can't just eat everything. Okay. So yeah, so don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.